there, my name's Casey. Welcome back to Casey Cooks. Today we'll be making veggie Viking boats. And this is a recipe for ages 5 and up, but parents or guardians can step in if littler ones want to join in. So the first thing we need today for this recipe is clean hands. So pause this video, go wash your hands, and I'll be here when you get back. Today you'll need the following: a plate, a spoon and cups for your ingredients, a knife, a sharp knife, but this is where the adults come in, so don't handle any sharp knives without any parents or guardians, toothpicks, peppers. You can use any type of pepper. Today I have orange and red peppers, zucchini or squash, that works too, and ranch dip. And this can be homemade or store-bought, it doesn't matter. So this is where your adult comes in. The first thing you're going to want to do is cut your vegetables. So I've already cut my vegetables today, but I'll tell you how to cut yours. So when you have peppers, you want to cut them into square pieces or rectangles, anything that isn't strips or any other shape. You want to cut square or rectangle pieces. They can be long or short, it doesn't quite matter, as long as doesn't even matter if they have straight sides. I have some corners here. As long